You see, drinking is really a matter of algebraic ratios. How drunk you'll get is dependent on how much alcohol you consume in relation to your total body weight. You see my point? It's not that you had a lot to drink. It's just you're too skinny. Marcel, a bunch more drinks here, please.
No, Freddie, I don't want to get drunk.
But you are drunk. You see, a sober person would have reached for the pretzels.
Is he gonna be there long?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm on the bar.
You're on the bar. Come on off the bar. Oh, this stool is in your way. Let me move that for you. Oh, you fell. Ooh, that hurt. Ooh, you're not having a good day, are you?
Wasn't that a beautiful wedding ceremony?
Oh, that was a beautiful ceremony.
It was. It really was. It was
Gorgeous
beautiful,
ceremony.
lovely. Okay.
How you doing?
Fine.
Fabulous Freddie Bauer here.
I'm kidding myself. This is never going to happen. I'm gonna grow old, and I'm gonna grow lonely, and I'm gonna die, and I'm gonna be surrounded by a bunch of rotten fruit.
Alan! I want you to meet some friends of mine. This is Tawny, and this is Jill.
I'm Tawny.
You're Tawny Tiger. And this is Jill with a four-letter word. This is my brother, Alan.
Hi. Freddie, can I talk to you for a second?
Oh, absolutely. You'll excuse me. Oh, and I'll be right back. We'll whisper some more. Well, I got some whispering for you. Oh, God. We'll pack your bags tonight, my man. We're going to Rio. These girls have got a time-sharing condominium. We're going to share some time with him.
No, Freddie, I'm going to Cape Cod.
What? What are you talking about? Cape Cod? Why would you go to Cape Cod?
I don't know, because I like Cape Cod, Freddie. I feel better up there. I look out the water, and I feel closer to something.
Cape Cod over Rio. Are you all right?
Yeah.
Let me drive you.
No.
Let me drive you up there, and
no,
I'll drive.
No.
You got enough money?
Yeah, I got plenty.
Yeah? Thanks. Can I have some then?